Good day, Mike with MarineMax Maryland. Today, 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX. 150 horsepower Mercury, 4-stroke, smooth, quiet, efficient. Great power plant for this 21-foot bow rider. Nice swim platform, easy to access the boat from either side. You have the drop-down stainless steel swim ladder, flips down into the water. 4 rungs, makes it really easy to use to get in and out of the water. It goes nice and deep, so you really just climb up into the boat. Of course, if you're with the family and you want to do some water sports, ski pylon is definitely a necessity. Great for pulling a inner tuber, wakeboarder, water skier, really you name it. You can hook that right up to it. If you do have to inflate that big tube, you got a 12-volt plug right here in the back of the boat. Just plug it in and blow it up. As you walk through, you're going to see we did option for the sea deck mat on here. This is attached. It's smooth, easy to care for, and real easy on the feet. Walk through transom, real easy to get in and out of the boat, even if you have a lot of things in your hand, life jackets, beach towels, the whole 9 yards. Access to your battery switch. Right when you get in the boat, real simple, real easy. Just reach in there, flip the switch, and away you go. In walking through, did opt for the nice bimini top on this. Really covers the entire cockpit of the boat. A couple of molded in steps to come through and you're in the boat. This one does have the stainless steel package, which is going to be stainless steel grab rail, insert on the rub rail, cup holders, really some nice features, things you really expect to find in your Sea Ray. Being the 21 with the outboard, you have an enormous storage area on both sides here. Gives you lots and lots of room. Beach towels, fenders, lines, you name it. Other thing that you probably saw there a minute ago, backrest. Again, you're hanging out at anchor, you got some people swimming in back, the dog's in the water, whatever, you have a nice backrest, kind of like a chase lounge facing backwards to see where the action's at. As you move forward towards the helm, you do have the Simrad screen in here. Integrates really nice with the Mercury motor that's on the back. Also going to have your chart plotter in there. Fusion stereo. This one is the upgraded version, so we have 6 speakers and a subwoofer. Really nice, easy to use, easy to Bluetooth functionality. Really, it's all there with the Fusion system. Twin captain's chair on both port and starboard with the flip-up bolster. Again, really gives you all the access that you need when you're standing, but the comfort when you're sitting. Snap-in sea deck throughout the cockpit, so really a great feature. Same sea deck mat that's on the back of the boat is all throughout the cockpit, but it snaps up, so really easy to clean, really easy to care for. Of course, this being a Sea Ray, underneath that snap-in liner, it's still going to be fully finished non-skid surface. Moving forward to the bow, big storage area off to the port here. And again, a big bow, lots of room up here. Step going forward if you did need to access, get on and off of the boat from the front. Nice and deep, you can see the bolsters go all the way up, all the way around the side, so really no matter which direction you want to sit, you have a backrest up here and it's deep and you feel like you're really in the boat. Again, Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland, 2019 SPX 21. Give us a phone call, stop in, we'd love to get you on the water with this one.